what's going on today.
What up, Leo?
What's going on, Mike?
All right, so we're here with this 08 Street Glide that came in for us for a little transformation. Basically, what we did on this, raked out the front end with a hog halters, 26-inch rake out front end kit, installed some Arlen S fork sliders with the Arlen S deep cut lower legs, Paul Yaffe Bagger Nation DI or DEI front fender to go with the 26-inch wheel. 26-inch wheel came out sharp. I love the contrast it came up with, you know, the black powder coat on the rotors with the gold in the center, chrome on the rim. Paul Yaffe monkey bars, we installed those. Magnum black pearl cables. Legend suspension in the front end, Legend suspension we put in the rear. My buddy at City Tints is going to take care of the tweeters and the speaker install, as well as wiring in this stereo system. But on our end, what he wanted us to do, we got it all done, wired up, ready to roll, and I'm happy with what we did. Basically, he gave us like a 3-day time frame. We got it done in 2. Now it's on him, so we'll get it to get wrapped up, and you'll see this on the road. That's a wrap on this one.